In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know exactly how to select your image and use the on-screen rotate handle to get the angle you want, quickly and confidently. Start by opening your design in Adobe Express and locating the image you want to adjust. Click or tap directly on that image to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box appear around it with handles at the corners and edges. If you don't see the box right away, try clicking once more, or make sure you're not accidentally selecting the background or another element on your canvas. It helps to zoom in a bit if your image is small or close to other elements, so your selection is precise. With the image selected, look for the rotate icon or handle near one of the corners. This is the small control you'll use to turn the image. On desktop, hover your cursor over the handle until you see a rotation cursor, then click and drag. On mobile, tap the handle and drag with your finger. As you move the handle in a circular motion, the image will rotate freely, not just in fixed 90-degree steps. That gives you fine control over the angle, whether you want a subtle tilt for style or a complete turn to fix orientation. For smoother control, drag slowly, and keep your mouse or finger a little farther away from the corner. That extra distance can make small angle changes easier. If you're aiming to straighten a horizon or line something up, watch the edges of your image relative to the canvas and consider zooming in for more accuracy. If you overshoot the angle, don't worry. Simply drag back the other way until it looks right. You can always release and start dragging again from a new position if it feels more comfortable. As you rotate, keep an eye on the layout of your design. Rotating might cause parts of the image to extend beyond the canvas or overlap other elements. If that happens, you can reposition the image by clicking and dragging inside the bounding box until everything sits where you want it. The key is to rotate first, then fine-tune the placement so your composition stays balanced. And that's it. Select your image, use the rotate handle to turn it freely to any angle, and adjust until it looks just right. With a bit of practice, you'll find the perfect rotation in seconds.